Hi, it's Tiziana. So 2 years ago I got this polish from my son. So not this Christmas but last Christmas. And yeah, I thought I would use it today. It's from Bow and it's called Worlds Collide. And I just applied some on my thumb, but it doesn't show very good. It's like a teal. So I think it needs 2 coats because I have 2 coats on my thumb.
Have you ever had a dream that you had you could do so you wanted to do so much you could do anything?
So these are some stickers I bought years ago from AliExpress, and I thought I would use one of them today. I don't buy anything from AliExpress anymore because of Europe. We have a tax now, China, but these are really beautiful.
Have you ever had a dream that you could do so you wanted to do so much you could do anything?
So I did add a little bit of this one also. This is Fiji number 61. And now I'll cover it with clear jelly stamper, no smudge. So I just applied some top coat on it, and I have these Allepaznockie. So if you've seen my videos, you know I love this brand. They have a lot of beautiful decorations and they are not expensive. So anyway, I newly bought these in a Danish nail shop, and it's number 11 confetti mix. So I thought I would add some of these just randomly. The nails. So this is a sticker I put on, and the rest is stamping. So I'm really happy for this. This was a gift, but of course it was a ordered gift. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed watching, and if you liked the nails and the video, remember to leave a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not subscribed. I make my own designs once a week. Once a week I paint my nails and I upload it to my YouTube channel. So I've been a little late this week because I had to fix one of my teeth. So that's the reason. And I'll see you next time. Bye.